Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the second topic of natural vegetation and wildlife. But the second topic, already we have learned the first topic. Now we are going to learn the second topic, natural vegetation and wildlife. Yes, second topic is the second topic is types of vegetation. In the first topic, we have learned about what is natural vegetation, virgin vegetation, and the climate, precipitation, and everything, land, soil, everything we have learned in the first topic. This is the second topic. In the second topic, what we are going to learn? Types of vegetation. What are the types of vegetation? There are 5 types of vegetation in India. Now we are going to learn only Indian vegetation. What is the Indian vegetation? Not wildlife. Worldwide vegetation. So we are going to learn the types of vegetation. Totally how many types of vegetation? There are 5 types of vegetation. What are the 5 types of vegetation? Tropical evergreen forest. What is that? Tropical evergreen forest. It is full and fully evergreen. Maximum these kind of forest not shed their leaves. Okay, so the dry season. Every place is having dry season, but the dry season is very less in tropical evergreen forest. Next, second one, tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. In this kind of forest, in summer season or the dry season, the trees are shed their leaves because of water scarcity. This is the second type. Third type, tropical thorn forest or scrubs. Or the tropical thorn forest or scrubs. Okay, this is the third one. What is the fourth one? Mountain forest. So the some forests are in mountain places. Mountain forest. That is the fourth one. What is the fifth one? Fifth one is mangrove forest. What is the mangrove forest? Sadhupunila kadugal. Mangrove forest. Last year we have gone for Pichawara. That is one of the best example for mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. So now we are going to learn every topic elaborately. Elaborately. After that you can read this lesson in your book and learn more. First one, tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen maximum. The whole year, these kind of forests are receiving rainfall. So, heavy rain. Heavy rain. Yes. These kind of forests are receiving heavy rain. For example, Kerala. We can say Kerala. Kerala is what the Western Ghats. West side of Western Ghats. It is receiving more rainfall. And then Himalayan places. North India, there are also more evergreen forests. Western Ghats, and then next Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is one of the best example for tropical evergreen forest. And next Andaman Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep, yes, these are receiving more rainfall because of that. The trees are always green. Maximum the trees are not shed their leaves. Because of that only we are calling that tropical evergreen forest. Assam also one of the example. Tamil Nadu, coastal places, Kadalkare Pagadigal, coastal land. These places are having tropical evergreen forest. For example, these places are receiving more than 200 centimeter rainfall. More than 200 centimeter rainfall. Do you know the desert is receiving? Thar desert, Sahara desert, the deserts are receiving less than 10 centimeter. What is that? Less than 10 centimeter rainfall. But these places are receiving more than 200 centimeter rainfall. So the trees are the whole year. The trees are receiving more rainfall, water facilities, and then sunlight. Because of that, the trees are growing very tall, highest. Yes, what is that? 60 meters, more than 60 meter height. More than 60 meter height. It is growing because So they are not maximum. The trees are not shed their leaves because of the rainfall. Because of the rainfall, the dry season also less. The dry season also less. So they are not shedding their leaves. So always green. The forest is looking always greenery. So what kind of trees and animals are in the evergreen forest? What kind of trees? For example, ebony. What is that? The kind of tree, ebony tree, mahogany tree, and the next rosewood, semaram, rosewood tree, rubber tree, cinchona tree. So these kind of trees are these kind of ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona. These kind of trees are growing in tropical evergreen forest. Then after that, flora, then fauna, animals. What kind of animals are living in there? Elephant, or the elephant, yes. Monkey is all the forest. In all the forest, monkeys are there. Yes. The lemur is one kind of animal. Okay, lemur, deer. You know about deer. Yes, one horned. Yes, this is one more question. One horned rhinoceros. Which forest is having one horned rhinoceros? What is that? Tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. Not all other forests. What is that? Tropical evergreen forest having one horned rhinoceros. Okay, so first topic is over. Now we are going to look at the second topic. What is that? Second topic. What is the tropical deciduous forest? What is really deciduous? Deciduous means the trees are shed their leaves in dry season, summer season. That is called what is that? Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. Yes, the rainfall. What is the rainfall? 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter. This is more than 200 centimeter, but this one is 200 to 70 less. Compared with the evergreen forest, it is receiving less amount of rainfall. Okay, 200 to 70 centimeter rainfall. So these kind of leaves, trees shed their leaves in summer season, dry season. For example, 6 to 8 weeks, more or less 1.5 month to 2 months. How many months? 1.5 month to 2 months. The trees are shed their leaves in summer days, dry season. Okay. So for example, eastern part of the country, where we can find these kind of trees. Eastern part of the country, for example, Jharkhand, or the Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh, East Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and then same time eastern slope of, not western slope of, eastern slope of Western Ghats, மேற்கு தொடர்ச்சி மலையோட கிழக்கு பகுதி, இந்த சைடு, அந்த சைடு, that side Kerala, this side Tamil Nadu. So they are example for deciduous forest. They are example for deciduous forest. So what kind of trees are there? Teak wood, teak maram, teak, bamboos, next is sal, zizmum. Okay, zizum. So these kind of trees are there. And the next there is tropical deciduous also. Next in another one is dry deciduous. What is that? Most dry. This kind of forest is receiving 100 to 70 centimeter rainfall. This one is 200 to 70 centimeter totally, but dry deciduous, tropical deciduous, dry deciduous. This is receiving 100 to 70 centimeter rainfall. 100 to 70 centimeter rainfall. Here also they got a solid name and people there. These kind of trees are living there. What kind of animals are living? Both. Lion. Yes. First understand. All over the world, in India only, lion and tiger, both animal living. Both animal surviving in India. But other countries are having lion or tiger. Lion or tiger. So lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephant are living in deciduous forest, tropical deciduous forest. More birds, birds are living in this forest. Next is lizards, snakes, tortoise. What is that? Tortoise. This is the one mark. Lizards, snakes, and tortoise are living in tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. So two topics are over. What are they? Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest. Next third topic, tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Thorn forest, முள்ளு செடி, அந்த முட்செடிகள், அந்த முள்ளு உள்ள மரங்கள். Okay, thorn forest. Scrubs, புதர் செடிகள். Okay, where we can find easily? Yes, you know about the desert. In the desert places, we can find the thorn trees and the scrubs. Yes, we know about very well the bushes. So, northwest. What is the northwest? Rajasthan, Gujarat. Yes, these places are covered by Thar desert. What is the Thar desert? These places are covered by Thar desert. So, northwest places are full and full covered by tropical thorn forest. Yes, desert places. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. These places are having thorn forest. What is that? Thorn forest or scrubs. So, yes, what kind of trees are? What plants? What kind of plants? You know about the chapati, cactus. Yes, that kind of trees and plants are in the thorn forest. So, northwest. So, acacias. What is acacias? Palm trees, euphorbias, cacti. So these kind of plants are living in desert places. Okay, thorn forest places. How the plants are living with less water? Or the less water, because the plants are having long root. But the long root and thick leaves. The leaves are changed into thorn. Okay, so the leaves are fulla marichi. Okay, so thick leaves, because of that they have reduced the photosynthesis, evaporate the water. What is that? Reduce the evaporation of water. So they save the water and they are getting the water from long root. Yes. And what are the animals living in the desert? We have learned in English supplementary in the 8th standard. What is that? Rat, mice, rabbit, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, camel. Yes, these kind of animals are living in where? Tropical thorn forest. These animals are living in tropical thorn forest. So this is very, very important one. The fourth one is mountain forest. I already told you know. What is that? The fourth one is mountain forest. Mountainous areas. What is that? Mountain places. These forests we can find in mountain places. So the degrees in temperature with increased altitude, height is increasing. Because of that, the temperature is reduced. First topic I told you. Okay, let's the corresponding change in the natural vegetation. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belt in the same order as we see from the tropical to the tundra region. The wet temperature type forests are found between the height 1000 and 2000 meters. So the wet temperature places, in these places evergreen broad leaf trees. In this height, evergreen forests are found such as oaks and chestnut, bredon. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest. So finally we have completed all the forest study well. We can learn the next topic. What is that? We can learn the next topic, wildlife, in next class. Okay, thank you.